Here I am showing my newest pickup from the thrift store today. This blue Ariel Pro X stick vacuum. It can also be converted to like a hand vacuum by taking the hose. I got this from the thrift store today. It was only $5. And yeah, it's pretty uncommon to see a non-gray Ariel Pro. This is the condition it came with almost all the attachments. It's missing the dusting brush, but that's fine. I might be able to find it. But yeah, this is a Ariel Pro, and it's actually one of the first Ariel Pros to have me ever own. This thing has dual speed, which is pretty cool. I like that on my Ariels. I'm gonna plug this thing in. No speed. Hold on. Now we're going to show you on the hose setting. Hope you enjoyed this video. It's a pretty cool stick vacuum.